How to fix Samsung stuck on logo screen. If you can't keep the secret, this video is not for you. Before we go further, subscribe and like this video. Now, let's check what causes a boot loop stuck Samsung logo. Software issues. While updating your software and then your battery died, what will happen next? It means your system will be corrupted. By all means, try to avoid full storage, guys. Even a computer cannot work properly when it is full storage. A vehicle cannot run smoothly when it is overloaded. There is always a solution into every obstacle. Press and hold the volume button plus power button. Hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Do you remember my last video about unlocking your forgotten password? I'm no longer going to talk, my mic is not working properly. Follow the steps, watch and read. I hope you're enjoying the process.